Hey guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to be looking at my first Barbie. Now I'm so excited to unbox this doll because for one, she is Brooklyn, which is Barbie, and she is the African American Barbie, and it means so much to me to open her. And this is so special to me and personal to my heart. And this is not the first time that Barbie has come out with my first Barbie. There's many of First Barbies throughout the years that have came out, but this one I found very excited because there's two Barbies, and that makes me very happy. So if you guys want to see me unbox Brooklyn of my first Barbie, just keep on watching. And also, we got fashion packs. Okay guys, so when you first see Brooklyn in the package, first off, I got her in Target. I paid about $24 or $22, and I will link it down below if I can find the link on Target.com. So right out the package, you can see that it says she has a soft touch body, which means she has like the click joints, which is really nice, and we'll get more into it as we open her. And right in the package, you can see her brush right there, some hair accessories, a little dog that's plushy, and some shoes. And she's not wearing shoes in the bottom, and she's wearing this cute dress that reminds me of something I would have worn when I was a little girl. So I thought it was super cute. Her hair feels pretty soft, and I like that. And I love how she's tacked down and really cute. So let's go ahead and get her open. Also, before that, look at her box art. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? And this doll is for ages 3 and up, and I absolutely love this. And it shows all the little easy ways for young children to easily dress and brush and style and take care of their Barbies. And also, this Barbie is taller. She's not 11.5 inches, she is 13.5 inches, which is actually really good for kids around 3 years old because they want something they can grip, and Barbies are a little more fragile. So I do think this is a really good size for ages 3 and up. So I'm gonna go ahead and open her up, and let's get a closer look at Brooklyn. Alright guys, so this is Brooklyn straight out of the box, and she's so pretty. I absolutely love her face, and I love how they have her freckles on there, and she's just really adorable. She comes with a comb, and it's so pretty and big, so I could totally see a 3-year-old playing with this doll. Like, this doll is so pretty, and she comes with a full head of hair. Like, her rooting pattern is just glorious. I love it. Like, it's glorious. Oh my gosh. It does feel a little rough on the end, so you know, I don't know what kind of hair it is, but it does feel a little polypropylene like. But you know, I don't mind polypropylene because you know I do different styles with it, so it doesn't bother me. But that is something that probably with little kids it will like wear and tear after a while. So yeah, so you see Brooklyn in her full glory, and I really love the whole bend and snap knee. I think that's so cool. Like, she can sit down with just her knees like bent and snapping. Look at that. Like, first of all, let's just get into articulation. So articulation, she only moves side to side with her head. Her arm goes out, it goes up, it goes back, all the way around, and she can bend at the arm and do this, and she can do the same thing with her other arm and bend into that. I like the fact that she can sit. That's pretty neat. I really do like that. She looks really good. This is her in like a sitting position, and it's very cute. You see her cross her leg. Yeah, so look, I can even cross her leg. I think that's so cool. Like, if I was 3 years old, I would go insane if my mom bought me this back in the day. My mom bought me a lot of Barbies growing up, but like revolution of Barbies and how they change and come up with these new ideas, I just get so fascinated. And I love that she has like a beautiful smile, nice full beautiful lips, and I love her nice bright eyes. She's just very beautiful to me, and I absolutely love it. And so yeah, and she comes with this outfit. Everything's pretty much printed on because you know it's supposed to be meant for a younger age group, you know, but as a collector I had to get my hands on her because makes you think of childhood, and it just brings, it's very unique, and it's a new way of doing Barbie. And so I had to get this for my collection. I just thought this was a must-have for me, and I really love the way she looks. Let's go ahead and get more into her. So I got 2 fashion packs, and before I get into the fashion packs, let's get into what she's actually wearing in the box. So in the box, she comes with these pair of shoes. Let's go ahead and put them on her. This is how she looks with her shoes on. She's wearing these cute pink heels with a bow on the front, and I really do like that. And I am going to compare her to a regular Barbie if you guys are curious of the size comparison, even though I told you the inches. But look at these shoes. I really like these. I think they're so pretty, and I really love it. Look at the heel on the back. Very, very cute. Very, very stylish, and I love it a lot. And also, she comes with a little tiny dog that she could have on her wrist. And honestly, this would be cute, like a little toddler purse. Like, if I had a daughter, then I would definitely get this off her. And this would be a cute little, like, soft purse. And you don't have to worry about it being plastic, because so certain age groups, they can't have the little tiny plastic purse. So this is a really cute dog idea, to not have something plastic, but have something plushy, which I think is really nice. And then she came with this cute headband that has flowers across the front. It looks like daisies. It kind of like sunflowers to me. I don't know if it looks daisy or sunflowers to you. Let me know in the comments what it looks like to you, daisies or sunflowers. We'll vote down below. And to me, I love sunflowers, so I would love to think that it's sunflowers. So let's go ahead and put her headband in her hair. Okay, so this is her with her headband. I think this is so adorable. You cannot tell me this is not cute. Oh, this is so cute, and it's so delicate looking, so innocent, pretty, and I love it. I can't wait I want to sit her on my display, not on a stand, but I want to sit her just like this, like, or in a chair, because I do have a chair. So I kind of want to sit her with like her legs crossed, like in a chair like this. Just so cute and innocent, and I love it. And so for the fashion packs, the first one we're gonna try is this beach one that I got to go with her. So let's check out her My First Barbie beachwear. Alright guys, so this is Brooklyn in her first outfit. This is the My First Barbie swimwear fashion pack. I am absolutely in love with this hat. You see this? And I love how it has neutral colors with the tan and the blue. I just think it just brings the look together so pretty. Like, she looks gorgeous. She's stunning. Absolutely love her. This is a doll that I would definitely want for myself as a collector, or to get to a child. Like, and she has her cute little orange juice with her orange peel on the side. Then she has a little flamingo. They say it's like a pet. That's what I heard, but to me it looks like a purse. So I think it's a plushy purse. So if you ask me, to me it's a plushy purse. And then she has these cute orange platform sandals, which are so adorable. And then this bathing suit that has flamingos, that is like a princess, and it has glasses right here and hearts. I think it's so cute, and the design's only in the front, and it's just plain pink in the back, and it velcros. And I love the pink ruffles on the side of the bathing suit. I just feel like this is executed beautifully, the way this fashion pack looks on her. This has to be like so cute. When I saw this in the store, I was like, oh, I have to get it. When I first went to the store, I just went for the doll, but when I saw the fashion packs, I was like, I'm sold. I am sold. I'm buying at least 2 of these, and I was so happy. So, and she looks so cute in this. I don't even want to take her out of it, but I cannot wait to take her to the beach, get some really cute photos of her, and just post her on Instagram. If you're not on Instagram, you should follow me. I'll put it in the corner of the screen. I think she's so precious and cute. And I love how it fits perfectly. Like, some Barbie hats don't fit too good, but this fits so great. I really love this. Like, this is really cute, like photography look, and I really like that. And then she has a little holder for the hand, and that's good for photography too, and I love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her in the last fashion pack, which is the Slumber Party nighttime one. So let's go ahead and change her into this. Okay guys, so this is Brooklyn in her pajamas, and I really love this. Look at the unicorn slippers. First off, Okay, so cute. I wonder if they can fit rainbow high shoes, because that is a question, because the way their feet are made is kind of like a rainbow high doll but a little more narrow, since they are bigger size than the average Barbie. So I would like to try that. Like after this video, I would like to try some rainbow high outfits and see it, well not outfits but rainbow high shoes, to see if they fit like the sneakers. I think that would be really cute. And I love how she comes with this cute little unicorn pillow. See, I think it's like a little purse, because they're like little animals but it looks like purses, you know. And I love her pajamas. I used to have a pair of pajamas like this that was Aladdin, like what is it? Yeah, Aladdin. So I had Princess Jasmine, and they used to look just like this. I wish I had a picture put on the screen, but like it's like in the archives, in like a bin of pictures that I have from my childhood. But I remember the ruffles like this in the 90s when one time when I was in school, I was so tired to get dressed. My mom let me get dressed by myself, and I accidentally put my Catholic school uniform on top of my pajamas, and I will never forget that. And I remember my pajamas looking like this because I was obsessed with those pajamas, because I love Disney. And yeah, so when I look at these, it just makes me think of those pajamas, and it just makes me laugh to myself and think of old memories. But I really love how hers is, how it has a unicorn in the corner. I think that's so cute and pretty aesthetic. Ever wants to play with dolls. And I love how the stars are and the ruffles. The ruffles are getting me. Like I really do like ruffles on dolls. Like I like it. I think it's pretty cute. Look at her eye mask, how it's a unicorn with the eyelids. I put on top of her hair. I gave her a braid because I was thinking, you know, sleep time braid. Every time, I don't know if you guys noticed, but if my dolls are sleeping, I usually put their hair down low in a braid or in a ponytail. Maybe because that's what I do in my hair at night. So I don't know, for me, when my dolls, when I'm not playing with them or stuff like that, I give them a braid, or I give them like a style, kind of a protective style, so when I'm ready to play with them or take pictures of them or do little interactions with them, then they're ready. So I don't know, naturally I just do that. And also in this set, it comes with a donut that's super cute on a plate, and it's a little unicorn donut, and I love that. It doesn't attach on any kind of way, the plate, but you can use sticky putty to just attach it to the doll's arm. And then the donut does detach from the actual plate right here, and let me see if it fits on the hand. So the donut does fit on her fingers, like, yeah, it does. So she can hold the donut, so that's really cute, and I really do love that. And I'm really in love with this doll. Like, I'm so happy I bought her. I think she's so pretty, and her pajama is just one solid color in the back. Okay guys, so, and also her ears are not pierced, so you just have to pierce them yourselves. My recommendation for piercing ears, just get like a little thumbtack, and you just stick it in your doll's ear, twist it around, and then you get like a earring like from Michael's, or like they have packet earrings for like $3 in Michael's. And I just take the same gold earring and I put them in all my dolls. All my dolls have the same earring. The ones that don't have their ears pierced, or they came with previous earrings, they end up wearing the same gold earrings, because I like the studded look because it's simple and their ears always have earrings. In my opinion, that's just what I like to do. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of Brooklyn. Did you guys get the My First Barbie? And also in the back of the My First Barbie, it shows you all the races of the different My First Barbies that you can get, which I think is so amazing, because to me, representation is everything for children, for people in general, even me at my age. I find this so incredible, and it makes me so happy to have this doll, because when I was young, like, we didn't really have all these dolls like this. So we did, but it was not like it is today, how we celebrate so many cultures and we celebrate so many different things. We did back in the 90s, but not as much as we do now, and I really do appreciate the way that Barbie has evolved over time, and I feel like this is progress. And I am gonna compare her to a regular Barbie, so let's go ahead and do that before we end this video. Okay, so this is Brooklyn compared to a average Barbie. You see a huge difference in their size. so you guys can see a size comparison. So this is the classic made to move body. So next I'll show you guys. So this is how she looks next to a curvy Barbie. So you can tell the height difference is different. Her proportions are bigger and she's more heavy. She's very heavy. The only concerns I have with this doll is with her skin, because she can easily be scratched. Like even right here, I'm trying to be careful not to scratch her. So that's the only concern. And her skin is very like somewhat, it's not sticky, but you know, I could tell if a child takes her into a playground, oh, it's gonna be hard to clean her off. But you know, that's just kids. Like when you're a child, when I was a child, I took my Barbies everywhere. I did everything with them until they couldn't last anymore. So you know, that's just expected. But other than that, I completely love this doll. I have nothing bad to say about this doll. I absolutely love her. She makes me so happy. And let me know in the comments down below, what was your first Barbie? Let me know what Barbie was your first Barbie, or your most special moment you've had with a Barbie. For me, I'm gonna say mine's first. So my first memory with Barbie, I would have to say was with the Christy doll. So with the Christelle face mold, I think it's Christelle face mold, I was so in love with that doll face mold. That's the face mold. Like, there's a couple of dolls with that face mold. I recently for Christmas got the 1992 holiday doll that has one of the face molds they use for her. I think it's like the Shanti mold. And I'm so in love with her. I got her for Christmas. And then the Christelle mold, which is this one right here. Oh my goodness. This brings back so many memories for me. I bought this doll this year because I saw this face mold and I was like, oh, I gotta have her. Because like, this is my childhood. And I remember being with my sister and I always have my dollhouse on the ground because, you know, memories just make you do things naturally. So with my dollhouse, even though I upgraded to like an adult place, like I think of when I was a kid and I would sit on the floor with my sister and play dolls with her, and we'll play school, or we'll have different scenarios with the doll. And I used to always give my doll a French braid going back. That was my favorite hairstyle for them. I used to do either like 2 hairs like this and a French braid going back. But that's my memory with Barbie, and that's my first memories with Barbie. So just share your first memories in the comments down below. You guys talk with each other and I'll chat with you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm trying to hold back my emotions because just thinking about those memories, it really makes me happy, because you know, I do cherish my childhood, and you know, I love that me collecting dolls went from childhood all the way to adulthood, and now I'm able to collect them and have them displayed beautifully. And even to get my birth year holiday doll as a gift is just, I'm so forever grateful. And you know, I'm grateful for you guys on YouTube, and then we have this doll community, other doll collectors, and I really do appreciate every single one of you guys that support my channel and that subscribe. So let's share our Barbie stories in the comments down below. Even if it's not Barbie, name your first doll experience that you will never forget. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.